Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry for Csir NET full guide. Start by listing syllabus topics and ranking them by weight and difficulty, then create a weekly plan with focused modules. Prioritize core pathways, enzyme mechanisms, and metabolism while scheduling regular revision and practice tests. Track progress and adjust timelines, and add active recall and spaced repetition to reinforce memory for exam success. Choose a few reliable resources and stick to them consistently so you avoid spreading effort too thin. Select a primary textbook, concise lecture notes, and a question bank for regular practice. Make annotated pathway charts and flashcards for enzymes and reactions, and dedicate time to solving previous Csir NET papers. Regularly update your notes and focus on weak areas while keeping mock exams under timed conditions to build exam stamina. Adopt study techniques that maximize retention and understanding through active engagement. Convert notes into flashcards, teach topics aloud, and draw biochemical pathways from scratch to strengthen recall. Space reviews to combat forgetting and rotate subjects to avoid fatigue. Integrate practice questions early, analyze mistakes, and simulate exam conditions periodically. Keep sessions focused with short breaks, and use summary sheets to consolidate big concepts before revision windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.